morning on Tuesday, 23rd of May. Bitcoin update, been a while, well, a couple of days. I think last week, Thursday, maybe Friday I did one. But so let's start with the higher time frame and my scenario I showed you, that's already 2 weeks ago. And saying that I think we are doing here some sort of corrective bounce before possibly one more move lower, one more leg lower to complete this kind of move. Well, this ABC might be finished here, but I do think we can extend it a bit, and that's mostly based on what I see in Ether. Well, this is from my morning update for the group. But here also, I showed this weeks ago that I do think corrective bounce and then complete this ABC. And that is the reason I think that Bitcoin can extend its correction with one more leg to the downside before we might see a bounce to the upside. So this corrective bounce is on its way. If we look, well, if we delete this mess, then we can go to the 4 hour. 4 hour we are ranging, and here is also the red box for that move, which could bring us to 28,200, maybe 400. I'm checking if there are any order blocks. Well, here there's FEG, which is not that important, but towards this area, red box is over here, and yeah, lower time frame, it's really choppy and not really seeing a good opportunity here. I did post some longs from here and here, or from here actually, yesterday. For now, on the lower time frame, what I'm looking for possibly to trade is if we do get this kind of move, take out that high, then a correction, but then still that move to the upside. So this would be my interest to look for a short from here, see how low it goes, and still thinking that we should go to the red box around 28,200, 400 maybe, and from there most likely I do think another leg to the downside. This is also interesting. If we make that move, take out the stops over here, and then the move lower. That is what I see now on the lower time frame, and also on the higher time frame. As said, corrective bounce and then possibly that leg lower. Not a guarantee that it will happen, but what I said is mostly based on Ether, but also what I see in the dollar. I do think we can do a bit more down here, something like this. We did have that breakout, maybe a bit more down, and then I do think the dollar will do a bit more upside, which means some pressure on the risk assets like crypto. So yeah, let's see in the coming days if this is going to play out. Might take a while. My scenario I showed you is already quite a few weeks old, and it takes quite a long time before it develops really. But I think we're on the way, and let's see tomorrow.